Anybody can find a good Jamaican woman these days. Them good up one day. Them must be expensive bad. Them the woman man them must trust her. She know if you run about the place and look for where she not put on. All the days of her life she treat her man good. Whatever her hand find to do, she do it good too. If she sew, sell a market, do hair, teach, work a hospital, whatever, she just good at it. She seek out the best things for her family and she willing to go as far as possible to get it. She get up out her bed early a morning time before cock even put her in drawers. And she cook what she have to cook early and everybody gets some. She think carefully about what she must invest in, how to get a return on her money. She might have one or two hand in a partner. She might do hair on the side or she might even raise some chicken. Plus, she plant her own vegetables and she sell some of it and give some with her to her neighbors. Then the woman do things to strengthen them body. She go to gym, she eat good food and she make some powerful juice. Sometimes at night time she stay up and consider what next to do. Yes, sometimes at late she go to bed. She get what she need for whatever work she need to do. She no mean, no sir. Them the woman they kind to their own peril. She only want to know somebody in genuine need. She help them. If they need food, she give them. If them picnic need school fee, she give them. And no matter what season it is, our family have what they need to manage. She makes sure of that. Sometimes she makes some royal looking clothes for herself. When she set out in her matching tie, her hat and bag and so, she has said 1, up like 7. Yeah man, she always buy good cloth. Her husband well be known in our community. When him sit down with the other man them, everybody know who a for him wife. She make things and she sell them. Little drops, greater cake, potato pudding. She all sell some to some shop. She is gracious because God smile upon her and she can feel the blessings upon her life. She no laba at all, no sir. Whatever she have to say, she think carefully about it first before she say it. She talk sense too and she try not murder nobody with her tongue. Before she do that, she go scour her pot them and rearrange her furniture. She no lazy at all. She make sure she know what are going with her picnic them and with her husband too. She's always there to support. Her picnic them say she's a blessed woman. And as for her husband, you know what him say? He always a sing her praises. Of all the women them who grew up in Jamaica, she is one of the best. Above all, she's a God-fearing woman. No wonder people praise her so. If you have anything to give her and see how she turn her hand and make fashion. Blessings always to these good up Jamaican women of Proverbs 31.